This is the new yak. It's a real yak. It actually breaks in half for moving, but I think I'm gonna keep it like this for most of the time. Has 2 rod holders, has a nice rudder in the back, has a stadium seat, don't mind my dog, has a nice spot for some stuff. I already got my stuff in here. This is the pedal drive, that's what it is back there. Has a compartment up here. Boom, got all my stuff in there. That's pretty much it. Alright guys, so it's a little bit different than what we usually do. We're out here on a yak. It's quite windy actually, but hopefully that will die down. This is my first time on my yak, so I'm gonna test out. What the heck is that flying in the air over there? It's a big old blue bird. Something crazy. Alright, so I've never... Okay, so I could easily stand in it. It's actually quite stable. So the one thing I gotta do is that it came with seat risers, and I'm a little longer. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to end up putting these seat risers on it. But this pedal drive is actually pretty nice. Like, it's really comfortable. I'm getting used to the rudder control over here, but I mean, other than that, it's a nice kayak. It's actually really stable. I have easy access. I can't wait to fish. I'm about to hit this whole bank up, but I'm actually think I'm gonna start down here where it's more calm, and I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm out there. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I don't know how well the fish is gonna be. Alright, so today we're gonna start off with, I think we're gonna go with the old reliable. Alright, first place I'm gonna hit up, I think I'm gonna cruise on this bank right here actually. I've never fished this side of the pond, like, in my life. I've been fishing here for years now, probably close to 5 years. And I've never fished this side of the pond, which I'm really excited about, so hopefully we can hook something. Nice cast. Press and reverse a little bit. Can I stand up and fish in this thing? Yeah. How like comfortable is it to stand up and fish? Dude, it's actually like, it's actually pretty freaking comfortable. Like, now that I think about it, I don't think I need to stand up and fish, but if it ever got to the point where I like thought it'd be easier to stand up and fish, I know I can go to that. Yeah, I really enjoy this. If you guys are looking for a fishing kayak, I'm gonna link this one below. It's in the bag. I'm getting slippery. Deep on this side. Ooh, this is a nicer one. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, that's a nicer one. That is a nicer one. That's the one I wanted. Now this is above average for here. Oh, he's bleeding. I didn't hook him in the gill or gut or anything. It's a bigger one. Happy fish. It's a bigger one. Happy fish. All right, the video turned off, but we're on some. Okay. All right. Literally first cast with this purple one in the same spot. I don't think it was the same fish, but I mean, it could have been. Alright, come on. Don't hook me, man. Get a quick release on you, man. Alright. Oh, it's getting windy. Nice one, man. I was right. I don't know why I wasn't recording. We're catching it. Oh, man. Let's take a water break. Oh, I came off right at the boat. Alright. Get this worm. Rig him. Little Texas rig, dude. That's what's been going today. This Texas rig June bug worm, man. Never used one of these until, I don't know. It wasn't too long ago. I feel like, so I think when I get home, what I'm gonna do is I might put those seat risers in here, or I might need to scoot my seat a little bit forward. Like I'm talking like a tad bit forward, because I have it all the way in the back right now. Because I figured it has my legs, but it's kind of longer than I thought. Right here, man. This bank was real juicy. Dang it, that could have been another fish today. Dude, that skip was beautiful. Oh my god, and we got a fish off of it. And we got a fish off of it. No way, dude, that was awesome. Oh my god, oh my. Stay still, stay still, stay still. He's under my seat right now. If I can lip him. Alright, I got him. Yeah, that's hilarious. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had fun, man. So it was my first day taking out my new kayak. I mean, I couldn't have asked for a better day. I mean, I caught a lot of fish. May not have been the biggest, but hey man, fish is a fish. But hopefully I get this video out soon. It's Friday, so we'll try to edit it when I get home. I hope you guys have a good rest of y'all's day, evening, morning, whenever you guys watch this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.